Good afternoon. For Wall Street Media, this is Ekaterina. I'm here with Doug, and we'll help you to make money in the stock market with information you can't find anywhere else.
Hey, we've got the Needham Biotech conference today, and I'm all excited about some of these. I'm going to buy these first, guys, tomorrow. Doggone it, the market's closed already, or I'd buy some now.
Okay. We have some videos today?
Yeah? I'm going to buy them. Got one from the first video.
There you go. So let's see what you have to say. We have Dr. Timothy Shannon, President and CEO of Curagen, ticker CRGN. He talks about the melanoma program with CR011 and the expansion of the phase 2 trial announced this morning. So let's see.
So in terms of the melanoma program, again, at time of asking, we had 40 patients treated in both the phase 1 and the phase 2. The phase 1 for the once every 3 weeks is complete. Doses up to 1.88 were well tolerated. That's the dose we took into phase 2. The dose above that, the dose-limiting toxicities were rash and a desquamating rash. The phase 2 study is enrolling. Again, at ASCO, we presented 6 patients, and as of today, we have 1 confirmed partial response, and the study is now going to its second stage. We anticipate the study will enroll quickly, and that we will have the phase 2 results for the once out of every 3 week schedule presented by the end of the year. So again, we think the drug is clearly active in melanoma, based on the objective responses and the progression-free rate we've seen, as well as the waterfall that I've shown you. And what we'll be working on now is, again, trying to understand that activity and optimize it. To optimize it, we will be tweaking the doses a little bit, as well as looking at a more frequent schedule. So we will also in the phase 1 be starting a once a week schedule of the drug and 2 out of every 3 weeks, again, to try to see what activity we get with the more intense schedules. Again, we are about to begin a phase 2 in breast cancer, which again is a nice balancing opportunity to melanoma. So melanoma has been a very difficult tumor to crack. For breast cancer, that hasn't been true. So again, breast cancer has been more amenable to therapies. In addition, breast cancer still, although there are therapies, there's still great unmet need, and because of that, a substantial commercial opportunity. MMAE, again, that's the drug on CR11, is a tubulin binding agent. Tubulin binding agents are mainstays of breast cancer. So again, the mechanism of killing that CR11 has is a validated mechanism of breast cancer. So again, there's an element of de-risking there as well.
Hey, I'm trying to buy these guys right now in extended hours.
So
cool. If you see a bid, that's me. I like this. And I think these guys are getting close. He seems like a smart guy. And that's how I base things. I like to see the videos quite a bit because I can get a feel for, is this someone that I would trust and put my hard-earned money in? Yeah. Right? And if it is, then I buy them. Yeah. And I'm trying to right now after hours. I'll let you know if it fills during the show. In the meantime, cool. You have more highlights for us.
I do have more highlights for us.
What do
After I watched the live stock buy. Oh my god, it's so cool.
Yeah, it's neat, right?
Alex Kukik, VP of Business Development for Intuitive Surgicals, ticker ICRG, said the company has RSRG. My bad, said the company has exclusive rights to over 400 U.S. and foreign patents, while filing new patents every quarter. He discussed their Da Vinci surgical systems, which control intuitive surgical endoscopic instruments, and is more than likely to be the product behind today's analyst rating upgrades.
I think German might just put that one in there to hurt me. These guys are a great company, and I think we're doing them at another conference at William Blair in 2 weeks. I just got an email today. We're definitely doing them at another conference, and I think it was William Blair. Oh, yeah, look, here's coverage was initiated on them this morning by Blair Jarman at Outperform. We had them at another one of our businesses at specialstock.com, and they were one of our picks, and I bought them, like we do with all of them. German Mike and I actually trade the stocks that we talk about here. You can follow that for free on covester.com. Although I got killed today, so hopefully none of you were following me recently. I bought these guys, and they're up about $100 a share since then. I managed to get out and only make $8 or so a share. Yeah, they're up $100 a share since then. They do robotic surgery.
Robotic surgery. Oh, it's when they use the robots instead of human hands?
Yeah, and that's what the Da Vinci thing is. It's magnificent, and it's growing in leaps and bounds, and people love it.
Oh, so that's the Da Vinci thing with the robots thing? Okay, I like the name.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's neat stuff. Okay, what do we have also? Ted Schroeder, President and CEO of Cadence Pharmaceuticals, ticker CADX, spoke about their IV form for acetaminophen, acetaminophen, for the treatment of acute pain and fever. They have also developed Omiguard, which protects catheter sites from infection, a common issue in hospitals.
Yeah, we've worked with these guys very often for a long time. Good, solid company. I like the managers for these guys, and I'm glad to hear that they've got something in the works here. Good company, and I like them. This may be another one. If you keep talking about these companies, I'm going to keep buying them. I'm going to buy 100 companies this
There
week.
you go.
I'm the biotech. Jeremy jumps in on the biotechs every once in a while, though. Yeah, it's a little risky, right? Super fantastic. Thank you so much for your help today.
My pleasure, Doc.
Guys, we'll have oodles more conferences, videos, notes, and stuff tomorrow.
That's right.
Let us know. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. Click the feedback button, please, and tell me if you own these companies, and if so, why. And tell me what you're buying in biotech right now or what you're staying away from.
Okay. We're here every day at Wall Street Media. You can find us directly at wsmco.com. Thank you.